Here we had a gap up and a tight trading range, and then a brief sell-off, but it looks like it found support and bounced pretty strongly. So what I was thinking here is that if this bar doesn't reverse any of these bars, so either a bull bar or a neutral bar, then I would want to buy. So I'm pretty much waiting to see how this bar closes. And it ends up being a neutral bar, so I bought as soon as that bar closed, looking for a 10-cent move. And then I also end up putting in a scale-in order 10 cents lower. Here the same thing happens again. Same thing that happened in trade 58. That it gets 1 cent away from my scale-in order and doesn't fill me and starts to bounce up. So that kind of leaves me stuck with the price bouncing in between my initial entry and my second entry. Feels like I'm a cent or two away every time. So I really do have to work on those. So that would have been a profitable trade. I entered up here at 290.83, and then had this filled me at 290.73, I could just exit at my initial entry and profit on my second, but it didn't fill me, so now we're a cent away from the target, and it's not quite getting there, so I figured I'd move my stop loss up to my initial entry, so either it fills me for my target or it stops me out break even. And it got right to the tick and didn't quite fill me, and then makes its way back down and eventually stops me out break even. So a lot of these trades are pretty close, but it's just a matter of sense to profit on a trade or break even or even lose a trade. So I think there's a better way to handle these. Just as it's dropping here, I should just exit at 5 cents for a 5-cent profit instead of allowing it to stop me out break even. So I'm out here for 1 cent profit. Bought at 290.83 and stopped myself out at 290.84.